Have you ever watched those relaxing AI anime ASMR cooking videos? They are currently going viral across multiple social media platforms. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create these AI cooking videos step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Get the prompts first. Open ChatGPT and paste the prompt template I provided in the description into the chat box, then press enter. Next, choose the character you want to use for your video. ChatGPT will generate 10 different dish ideas for you. Simply pick your favorite one, paste it back into ChatGPT, and press enter. ChatGPT will then automatically create a complete text-to-video prompt that you can use to generate your AI anime ASMR cooking video. Step 2. Download Edimakor. For the next steps, we'll be using Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded Edimakor yet, you can find the official download link in the description below. Step 3. Generate the video. Now open Edimakor and click New Project. Go to AI Video, Text to Video. Edimakor provides a variety of advanced AI video generation models. For this tutorial, I'll be using the Kling 3.0 AI model to create the video. Next, return to ChatGPT. Copy the generated text-to-video prompt and paste it into the prompt box in Edimakor. Adjust the duration, aspect ratio, and mode settings, then click Generate. After a short wait, your AI anime ASMR cooking video will be created automatically. If you upload your generated video to YouTube and include the Edimakor Happy Birthday tag, you may receive additional bonus credits from Edimakor. And that's the complete workflow for creating AI anime ASMR cooking videos. Download Edimakor today and start creating your own relaxing AI cooking animations.